We are unboxing the BEKO microwave, digital microwave. It looks like this. It's a 900 watts power microwave and 30-liter capacity and a volume. Has digital control panels and button yake, as in the door, mlango wake unafunguliwa na button. Alright, it's a button opening the door. Okay, 100% digital. So it's going for only It is going for only 16,450 Kenya shillings. Has two different function settings, jet and weight. Has a mirror glass door. Like I said, 900 watts microwave power and express cooking. And also 10 power levels. Okay? So you're very much welcome to get this one right here at Patazone. Karibuni sana.